Welcome back everyone, Ryan Derksen here at Ens Toyota. We talked a little bit about all-wheel drive recently, but I also want to take an opportunity to talk about 4x4. My own personal truck, Dino, as well as many of our vehicles are offered with a true four-wheel drive system. And so we should take a minute to talk about what the benefits of that are and what some of the drawbacks are of that system that you'll find on Tacomas, Tundras, 4Runners, and Sequoias. Hop in.
All right, we're here in a 2022 Toyota Tacoma Trail. All Toyota Tacomas come standard with a true old school four-wheel drive system. This has a high speed and a low speed range for the four-wheel drive system. Now low speed, honestly, you're probably not going to use it too much. It is for extreme off-road situations. I'm going to talk more about the 4-high system today. So like all four-wheel drives, if I'm not using it, if I'm in two-wheel drive, this is a rear-wheel drive vehicle, but it gives me the option to switch from rear to a 4 lock at any speed while I'm driving up to about 100 kilometers per hour. I can switch in and out of that system. And so the benefit of this system is that when it's engaged, it is truly locked. Half of the power is going to the front and half of the power is going to the back. And I get to choose when I put it in and when I then take it out again. Now, one of the downsides of the system, because the power is locked front and back split even, it doesn't like to turn quite as much and you need to be on a slippery surface to use it. So that's Toyota four-wheel drive. You'll find four-wheel drive in the Tacoma, my favorite, but also the Tundra, the Sequoia, and of course the 4Runner. Come check it out here at Ens Toyota.